Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a spectacular day. Today, we are at a very special residence. We're at the 10th floor of 620 Park Avenue. I know it's a spectacular residence because I designed and built it for an incredible family, and now we're going to give you a tour of it. 5 years ago, my Mets were the laughingstock of the major leagues. Today, 12-1, baby. 5 years ago, I had a 7-year-old daughter. Today, she is 12, and I am reminded every day that Shawn Mendes is an incredibly cute guy. And 5 years ago is when we met this family who asked us to come in and design and build, gut renovate, leaving no stone unturned, this incredible apartment. I want to give you a tour and show you what we did here. It's our finest work. Let's go take a look. So many times when we show you apartments in pre-sale proposals, they need cosmetic renovations, they need gut renovations. This apartment doesn't need a screw, it doesn't need a light bulb. It's absolutely perfect. And I know because I'm the one who designed and built it. Cathy Franklin and Alexis Bodenheimer of the Corcoran Group have the listing. They're also the brokers who were generous enough to introduce me to the owners 5 years ago. And together, it was a collaborative effort of the owners and myself and their interior decorator that turned this into an apartment, into arguably the best example of our work. Welcome to the 10th floor at 620 Park Avenue. All right, so now let's talk about the public rooms in this exquisite apartment. I'm in the living room that flows into the dining room, but the living room also flows and feeds into the custom walnut library. Let's start with the ceilings. When we got this apartment, the ceilings had flat ceilings. We found voids up in the beams. Woody, show them the coffers. We ended up with beautiful molded coffered ceilings. The windows, all the windows in the entire apartment are Colby custom wood windows with sound attenuation glass. It is so quiet up here, and UV protectant so that I don't have pouring sun in here changing the colors of my fabrics. Woody, let's take them over to the fireplace. The fireplace is from Chesney's. It's a honed limestone mantle, honed slate surround. In all of the rooms, we have thermostats controlling all of the temperature, heating and cooling. And in this apartment, we even took up the existing floors in the public spaces, relaid beautiful quartered and rifted oak flooring with walnut bordering. Enjoy the tour of these great public spaces. So now, in addition to the 2 children's bedrooms that are tremendous from scale, with ensuite bathrooms, now we're in the master. And the master is totally off the hook. What did we do? We did everything. We have a home office off the master that is perfect for working so you don't wake your partner up. I've got a Chesney honed white Carrera mantle with a honed slate surround and a water vapor insert, window seat custom cabinetry, bookcases, library lights, the ceilings. We took out the existing ceilings that were dropped and we built these beautiful tray ceilings. There's a dressing room en suite that when people see it, they walk in and just fall down over. Walnut interiors, LED lit from the inside, the closet rods are even lit. And it's off that dressing room that makes both men and women weak in the knees is the master bath, and the master bath is off the hook. Floor to ceiling, white Calicut stone, walk-in shower, toilet closet with privacy, his and hers vanities separated on each side of the bathroom, and I've got a waterworks tub that's cast iron with a polished nickel surround. Check out the tour. So now we're in the kitchen. It's a total showstopper. I've shown this kitchen, this entire project, to 7 prospective clients over the last 4 years. That's right, we did this project in just over a year, not 2 or 3, and each of the 7 clients has hired us and said, yes, may we have one of those, please? Let's talk about what's going on in this kitchen. Quartered and rifted wide plank oak floors that complement the public floors that we talked about, brand new. Marble tops with a 2-inch thick apron, 48-inch wolf, 48-inch sub, wine, under-counter refrigerator, and this all flows into a breakfast area that seats 6 without even trying, 8, no problem at all. That flows into the washer-dryer room, where we use the same level, the same quality of cabinetry in the washer-dryer room that we used in the kitchen, including the marble tops. That flows into another family bathroom and into an incredible home office, full painted and walnut interior cabinetry, walnut tops. You've got to see it to believe it. Enjoy the tour of this incredible kitchen. So that's it. We hope you enjoyed the tour of what we consider perfection on Park Avenue. It really is a spectacular apartment at 620 Park Avenue. Cathy Franklin has the listing. The clients were fantastic, and this really was a labor of love for the time that we were able to design and build it. We hope you get a chance to see it. It's on the market now, and we'll see you next week with the next pre-sale proposal. Enjoy the weather. Bye-bye.